Hey guys, what's going on? Here we are, right back at you. We got another video series coming your way. This is our Chevy Silverado going Nardo. All right, the Nardo Silverado project. And as you can see, this one here has some body work that we've been doing to it. So yes, absolutely. I've actually had this question come my way. Hey, are you guys willing to do resurfacing, corrections, dent corrections, stuff like that? Yep, absolutely, we will. And yes, there is a charge. Of course, everything that we spend our sweat, our time, our grind on, they're absolutely 100%. There will be a charge. All right, so yes, this is one thing that we definitely do. We prep the vehicle for the wrap, and in this video, yours truly, I am prepping and setting up the tailgate for wrap. We are electing on this project to not remove the plastic caps from the tops of the tailgate and the top of the bed rails. After consulting with one of my buddies who's a wrapper and a painter of many years, he highly recommended that I do not remove these plastic caps, because more often than not, these caps do break upon removal, and we do not want to spend the money on having to replace these things. So we are going to be tucking and hiding the vinyl around the plastic caps, and the caps themselves are also getting wrapped in the same Nardo. Here I am just presenting the material, making sure that I am covering my space. And I'm getting ready to expose the corners and tack on either end of the wrap before glassing out the material. Here I am removing the backing off of the vinyl, and I'm beginning my glassing process. Glassing, essentially, if you can think about, making your bed, how you pull your sheets tight and smoothen it all out. Same concept here. It just makes my job a lot easier. So the term is glassing out, making the bed, going to each corner, smoothing everything out, making sure that I don't have very many wrinkles or fingers to start with before I start pushing the air out from under the vinyl. All right, guys. So as we are wrapping up this video, hopefully you've enjoyed the first of this series. Up next, we got the roof and the hood coming up. And again, guys, please like, subscribe if you have not done so yet to our YouTube channel. And also hit that link for our Google business. Give us a nice little review, guys. Say something nice about us. That's one good way to support with no cost. Thanks a lot, guys.